Hi, I'm Amber with WTI, and if you have been told you need more magnesium, this is what you should grab for. Magnesium glycinate helps promote muscle function. This is really important in aiding the relief of sore muscles and getting a better night's sleep. I really like this because it is a higher absorption rate than most magnesium. Magnesium helps improve bone health, improves flexibility and endurance in physical activities. It relieves sore muscles and pain. And what I really like about this is that it's a slow release formula and it is a vegan formula. So these are veggie caps. So adults are to take 1 to 3 of these dailies. Adolescents can take 2 daily. So there's 165 milligrams of mixed magnesium in these pills. There's no gluten, wheat, yeast, sugar, shellfish, milk, corn, or preservatives. And because it is in a veggie cap, it makes it really easy to swallow. It's so easy to take, it doesn't burn on the way down. So if you need more magnesium in your life, I strongly suggest you reach for these. And that is my point of view.